Okay, so we're going to be painting up this 2016 Ttr230 exhaust today. It's a little scratched up, and we're going to remove some rust from the top, or from the header, kind of. So we're just going to go on roughen this up. It's 180 grit sandpaper. You could go lower. I don't recommend going higher than 180. It's not real bad, but there's just a few dings, and I want this bike to look really good, so. I don't know I'm using my hand to prep it, but this is a pretty shitty job, so don't use that cuss word, but. I got it on my other part, this thing right here, but who cares? I don't really, but I kind of do. Oh, I missed a little itty bitty spot, but I guess it's okay. Now let's pull this masking off, let that dry. Oh my gosh, this is a terrible paint job. When in doubt, rub it on out. I'm probably going to sand that down after it dries up a little bit. I want to paint my frame because it's all nicked up, but I don't want to use spray paint on that part. I want it to look nice, and because that is the frame, like that is the base of your bike. That is factory paint on that. This is a pretty new bike, so I don't want that to get messed up, so we're just gonna leave that for now. I'm pretty sure that, oh, we have a messed up rear fender, so we're just gonna might sand it with some 600 grit sandpaper because somebody looped this bike out, over wheelied it, so I don't know how that happened, but somebody was probably wheeling it. See, big old stress mark on it. That means somebody probably wheelied it over. We're just gonna do little circles on it, try and get these big mean old gout, and on here there's some big gouges I'd like to try and get out. I need some really high grit, like 1200 grit to be doing this, but all we got is 600 for today, so we're just gonna do some little circles on this thing and get it prepped up. I hate high grit sandpaper because it gets clogged up with material so fast. Like, see all that grime in there? Doesn't even hardly blow out. But with like high grit, or low grit, it clogs way less. So we're probably just gonna roughen it up with some. This is 180. This stuff is 600. So we're just gonna start with 180 to get these big old things out. So.